They're pretty vivid still.
A Burlington police officer took to the stand Tuesday, facing a drunk driving charge in St. Albans. Prosecutors say Leanne Werner was behind the wheel last July when she crossed over the double yellow lines and hit an oncoming car. One of the passengers in the other car later died from complications after the crash.
I didn't want there to be any implications whatsoever that the defendant was getting any type of special treatment because she was a law enforcement officer.
Officer Keith Cody was one of the first responders to the crash scene. He says he administered a breath test to Werner on scene, which investigators say indicated that she was above the legal limit.
For that officer to be telling me, the media's here, this is a big deal because you're a cop, but I don't smell anything, I don't see any impairment, but will you submit to this ALCO? And not being done in the form of, will you go through the field sobriety test, which the ALCO would be at the end of that.
At the motion hearing, the defense is trying to suppress the alcohol test, telling the judge Werner felt pressured to provide the breath sample at roadside. They also want the gross negligence driving charge thrown out.
In a crash of this nature, you have to investigate all avenues as to what would have caused an operator of a motor vehicle to be that far on the wrong side of the road.
The judge decided to give prosecutors and the defense more time to present additional evidence before ruling on the motion to suppress. In St. Albans, Abby Isaacs, WPTZ, News Channel 5.